thing. Okay, very good morning to all of you here. Okay, shall we start with this? Have a look at it. Can you see this, boys and girls?
Yes.
Okay. Right. Now today, we are going to actually, we are not going to do revision. Actually, this is actually one of your assessment. Okay, one of your assessment for the topic, right? So this is one. Last week, not last, last week we have gone through paper 1, page 1 to page 3, which conducted by Teacher Yong regarding to how you're going to solve a problem in whole number in paper 1 objective. Now today we are going to see paper 2. Now before we start that, now have a look at this. Okay, this is something that we need to know, something that is new, right? So from if you are going have a number, a whole number, if you want to convert to a decimal millions or a fractions million, you need to divide by 1 million. Okay, example like this. Okay, state 6,500,000 in decimal millions. So what you're going to do is you are going to write down the number and then divide by 1 million. As you know that 1 million, you have content 60 here. So what you can do is very easy only. If change to decimal million is the easiest way, all you need to do is shift the decimal point from the back to the front 6 times. Okay, so which means that it will be hold on, going to see what is going on here. So we are going to shift the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So that is it. So you are going to have 6.5 millions. Okay, so this is how the example of a whole number changed to a decimal million. All you need to do, divide by 1 million. Okay, another case is convert a whole number into a fractions. Okay, also the same thing. All right, so you are going to write the whole number and divide by 1 million. So when you divide by 1 million, the same thing also. You can shift the decimal point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, at first maybe you will get 1.3 millions. Okay, 1.3 millions, you can convert it back into fraction, which is a whole number will be your whole number. Okay, 0.3 is actually 3/10 if you convert it into fraction. So it will change, become a mixed number. Okay, that is 3/10 millions. Okay, that is how we recall back, okay, what you have learned beginning of the year. Then you start from this. Okay, how about if decimal millions or fraction millions, you want to convert back to whole number? So all you need to do is multiply by 1 million. Okay, so example here, convert this. Okay, you can see this is a decimal million. You want to convert back to whole number, all you need to do is write down the decimal millions and times 1 million. When you times 1 million, as long as multiply, you shift the decimal point 6 times to the back. Why 6 times? Because there are 6 zeros here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so we start from here. For example, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so you can add 0 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Add another 5 0 to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 become 100,000. Okay, then example 2, if you have a fraction million, all right, you want to convert into whole number, all you need to do, write down the fractions of million times whole number, 1 million. Change this into improper fractions. Okay, 8 times 2 is 16, plus 5 is 21. So you are going to write it become a improper fraction, 21/8 times 1 million. So when you times 1 million, of course, you can cancel 8 and 1 million. All right, 8, if you want to cancel 8 with 1 million, it become, when you cancel 8, become 1. Okay, the 1 million, when you cancel it, will become 125,000. So use 125,000 times 21, you get this. This is equals to 2,625,000. Okay, all of this you have learned before. All right, teacher just recall back your previous knowledge, and we do some revision, warming up first before we go on to your the work that you have done before. Right, next, okay, this one is the notes or conversions of a whole number to a decimal of million and a fractions of million. All right, actually this table by right, if you do, you oftenly do these exercises, okay, I'm sure you can remember. Once you look at, okay, 100,000, I know it's 0.1 million, and I know it is 1 over 10 million. Okay, it's already stick in my mind. Okay, for example, 125,000, okay, I know this is 0.125 million, which is equals to 1 over 8 million. Same like 200,000. 200,000, 0.2 million, and this is 1 over 5 million. All right, so how you do it, you just divide it by 1 million, you will get the fraction. Okay, so 250,000, okay, becomes 0.25 million, which is equals to 1 over 4 million. Okay, 400,000 becomes 0.4 million, which is equals to 2 over 5 million. 500,000 equals to 0.5 million, which is equals to 1 over 2 million. Okay, 600,000, 0.6 million, which is equals to 3 over 5 million. 750,000 becomes 0.75 million, which is equals to 3 over 4 million. 800,000, 0.8 million, which is equals to 4 over 5 million. Okay, 1,500,000. Okay, this is more than 6 digits, 7 digit here, which is equals to 1.5 million, and become a mixed number, become 1. This 500,000 you can see from here, which is equals to 1 over 2. So you just add on this 1 and 1 over 2 million. Right, the one that I highlighted in yellow color, that is a very, very common. That is a very common conversion, which I think you should know and you should stick in your mind. Okay, because this number always come up when they ask question about. Of course, the rest of it, okay, you have to know also lah. But if let's say you forgot already, then you have to use the method that this, okay, divide, if whole number you want to change to decimal and fraction, you of million, you have to divide. Okay, if a decimal million to and a fraction million, you want to change the whole number, you need to multiply. Okay, this is the main concept that you should know, right? This is only a table that which I think you should know. All right, and it will make you solve your problem faster if you know all this, okay, in the table. Right, now everybody, are you ready with your activity book? Actually, it's not your activity book, your strategy A. Are you ready with your strategy A book, book 2?
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
very
teacher.
good. So we go on one by one of this. Okay, look at this. Page 1, right? Question number 1, A. Diagram 1 shows 6 number cards, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 cards, okay? Write the largest, okay? Write the largest 6-digit number from the cards given. Okay. Anyone volunteer to give me the answer before I explain it? Natalie Mary? 6 kuning?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is your answer?
500 five 532,000 100.
Okay, your answer, you said that 5, let's see, 532,100. Is it?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, that's it. Okay, if you want to change, you want to write the largest number, all you need to do, look at this, which card is representing the biggest number, that is 5. Okay, after that 3, after that 2, so you write 5, 3, 2. Then after that 1, then after that 0, 0, put at the back. So this is the largest 6-digit number form. Okay, right. How about B? Round off 47,186 to the nearest thousand, here, right? To the nearest thousand. Okay, I would like to call Namera. Amos? Is Amos there? Hello? Is Amos there? All right. Cannot? No sound? How about Zarin? Is Zarin there? Muhammad Zarin, 6 Merah.
Teacher.
Okay. If you are given these questions, what is your answer first before we discuss?
47,000.
47,000. Let's have a look at this. Okay. 47,186. Okay. Nearest thousand. Thousand is this. Okay. I should have do it. Hold on. Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes. Yes, teacher.
Something wrong with this? Can you hear the sound there at the back?
Yes, teacher.
What is that, y'all? Okay. I think got technical error here. All right.
What happened, NJ?
I don't know. What happened?
Kamu mau restart dulu?
Okay, I'll try. I think I have to restart it, is it?
Memang froze sampai begitu sudah?
Cannot.
Cannot kah?
Cannot close out my slide already. Even my slide also cannot close down. Cannot off it.
Try restart lah.
Okay, restart. Hold on.
Okay.
Tony. Then restart.
Restart the laptop. Tunggu dah.
Tony， 你按那个 on off button 99就可以了咯，它就自己 off 的了。Morning everybody. Hold on. Okay, while waiting kan. Okay, I want to ask. Matt, are you here, Matt? Not here. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll take over for a while. Okay, I want to see your attendance. Okay, check your attendance. Okay, while waiting, let's see. Matt is not here. Noel, are you here? Sarah, Dania, are you here? Okay, Evan, just key in. 8:20, thank you very much. Okay, we have 3 more people from 6 Merah. You see, 6 Kuning, full attendance already. So you need to discipline yourself. 6 Merah and 6 Biru. Okay, 6 Merah and 6 Biru have to discipline a bit. You have to key in your attendance as soon as possible. Just like before you come to class, okay, you need to key in your attendance. Okay, so we have 3 more people here as well. Okay, Akil, are you here, Akil? Okay, let's see. Later, please send your picture like this to teacher. Okay, your group, your 6 Merah and 6 Kuning, and or 6 Biru and 6 Hijau. You have to send this picture so that teacher can monitor you. Okay, I want to see your face, see how you progress. Okay, let's see. Okay, take a picture of yourself. Okay, because yalah, later when you come back to school, teacher cannot recognize you. How lah? Okay.
Okay, already, Teacher Yang.
Okay.
All right. Sorry for just now, something wrong with it. So just now, Zarin said this is 47,000. So what we can see from here, this is 1,000 place. So look at the back, this is 1. Okay, 1 which is smaller than 5. So all you need to do is cut off all this number, become 0. So it will become, all right, how to do it? It will become here, become, sorry, not very good in drawing this, okay, using pen. So become, it will become, okay, where is it already, the circle? All right, this is become 47,000. Answer is 47,000. Okay. Right. So next, question number 2. Look at this question number 2 here. 3 over 5 million. As you know already just now, 3 over 5 million. Okay, look at this. 3 over 5 million. 3 over 5 million equals to 600,000. So from here, this is 6. 6 here representing the whole number, 6 million. And this 3 over 5 million will become 600,000. So you are going to draw, okay, circle the line here from this dotted here, right? Maybe from here, you can just use this, okay? Go and match it, okay? 6 million and 600,000. Okay, teacher put this here, table here, all right? Ask you to circle all the prime numbers from the list, okay? This is a list number given to you. They want you to circle which of this, all right, is a prime number. Okay, anyone can tell me the answer? Volunteer first. Maybe from 6 Biru? Anyone? 6 Biru?
Say it, help to answer, say it. Adam.
I want teacher to call your name.
He wrote already, 17 and at the chat, 17 and 29.
Okay, 17 and 29. Okay, 17 and 29. right? You look at the list here, 17 yes, 29 yes, okay? The rest is no. The rest is not a prime number, right? We go next. Okay, number 3, question number 3 here. Right, diagram here show 4 cards. Okay, there are 4 cards here, 1, 2, 3, 4. State the value of the underlying digit. Find where is the underlying digit? Where is the underlying digit? Here you are. This is the underlying digit. So what is the value of the underlying digit here? Right? What is the value of the underlying digit? Okay.
4,000.
Yes?
4,000.
4,000. Who are you?
Natalie.
Okay, Natalie. Okay, so your answer is 4,000. How you write the 4,000? You're going to write 4,000. Okay, because this is what you call value of digit. Okay, digit here. Okay, this is a digit. Okay, this is a digit, value of digit. Okay, now B. Calculate the difference between the largest number and the smallest number. Okay, compare here. Tell teacher which number from the 4 cards here is the largest number. All is actually starting with, all are 5-digit number. All right, all starting with the number of 5 in front. Now the difference is the second number. This is 4, this is 7, this is 4, and this is 0. So can anyone tell me which one is the largest number?
57,048.
Okay, 57,048. Okay, very good. Which one is the smallest number?
50,487.
Very good. So you know already this is the largest, this is the smallest. So all you know, the word difference here is minus. So how you do it? So you're going to, okay, do, hold on, 57,048. Okay, minus 50,470. Okay, 87. So you minus 8 minus 7 is 1. 4 minus you cannot. I regroup from here. This become 14, right? This also not enough, so you have to put 6 here. Hold on now. Something wrong here. So you have to put there 6. This is 9. So 14 minus 8 is 6. 9 minus 4 is 5. And 6 minus 0 is 6. So the answer will be 6,561. So please do correction in your book, everybody. Okay, you can get your red pen. You can do, even if you are wrong already, you can redo again, or you can do the correction beside the book. Okay, so we go on question number 4. Okay, this is a number cut. Okay, convert this number to a decimal million. Okay, anyone can tell me what is your answer? Shadat,
0.5.
who are you? Evan?
Yes, Evan.
Okay, what is your answer?
0.5.
0.5? No? You got 3 here. How can we become 0.5?
0.503.
It's not correct. You missed out something. What is
0.503 million.
Very good. Okay. So what you're going to do is, right? Let's say now it's 3,000. I want to convert into this one, a decimal of million. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide by 1 million. Okay, 1 million. All right, so equals to, I shift the decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hold on, 5 and 6. So this is a decimal number. Okay, something wrong with this. Okay. All right. So become 0 here. So then it become here. I'll put here. All right. Hold on. The pen is not working. So 0.5303. You have to write the million at the back. Okay. You have to write the million at the back. Okay. Write million at the back. Teacher pen is not really good. Okay. So this is 0.503 million. Okay. B. How about B? All right. Partition the number according to the digit value. The digit value. Okay, how to do this one? Anyone? Let's say you have this number. How you partition it? Cerakinkan. How you partition it? Shadat? Can Shadat talk there? No Alia? No Alia Safia?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is your answer for this?
500,000 plus 0 plus 3,000 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0.
Okay, 500,000 plus, okay, all the 0 you don't have to write. Okay, all the 0 you don't have to write. So after 500,000, this is 500,000. So what you do, right? Okay, this is 10,000 place. There is no value, so you don't have to write anything. So all you need to do is plus 3,000 here. Okay, plus 3,000. Okay, plus you look at that, all the rest of the number, all the digit is 0. So no need to write anything. Just leave your answer 500,000 plus 3,000. That's it. Okay, that's it, your answer. Right, we continue the 5th question here. Right, a little bit, what you call this one, a little bit difficult about question number 5 here. Right, why? Because I think some of you may get wrong of this. Okay, we see the questions here. A total number of residents in town X and Y is 200,000. Okay, 200,000. So the number of residents in town Y is 4 times the number of residents in town X. Okay, so means that town X is more than town Y 4 times. So actually what you are going to do is, for my opinion, means that you have town X, okay, where is it, the number? Cannot write. Okay, X, okay. You also have town Y, okay. This is actually 1 time. This is actually 4 times because they said town Y is 4 times town X. So if you want to representing with a bar, okay, town X is 1 bar. Town Y is actually 1 bar, 2 bars, 3 bars, and 4. This is X and this is Y. Okay, so you can see from here, when you look at it, it'll become 1 part, 2 part, 3, 4, 5. 5 parts. So they ask you, they just ask you to, they don't have to ask you to count, but they ask you to tick the correct number sentence only on the calculations if you want to find the resident in town X. Okay, town X is only 1. Okay, to find 1 part, so what you are going to do is, which number sentence is correct? 200,000 divided by 3, or 200,000 divided by 4, or 200,000 divided by 5? Any idea? Any idea? Divide by 4 or divide by 5? Malay? Malay Nur Shafika? Are you there?
A few
Malay Nur
people said
Shafika?
5 in the chats.
Pardon?
A few people said 5 in the chats.
Okay, 5. Divide by 5. Then you are correct. It is 5. Why? Because including, okay, 4 parts from town Y and 1 part from X. So if you want to find X, all you need to do is you have to divide by 5 parts altogether. 1 part from X and 4 parts from Y. So you divide by 5. Okay, so this is 200,000 divided by 5. That is the number sentence correct lah. All right, B. How many more residents are there in town Y compared to town X? Okay, first of all, you have to know, okay, if you divide 200,000 divided by 5, okay, let's say now I have 200,000, all right, divide by 5, okay, or I divide by 5. Why I divide by 5? 5 times 4 is 20, right? So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 left. So I just add 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Means that this is a resident in town X when I divide by 5 just now. Okay, if you say that, okay, this is town X only 1 part. Right? If you want to find the resident in town Y, Y is 4 times. You see? 4 times. Okay, if 4 times what you're going to do, 4 times the town resident in town X. So you found already resident in town X is 40,000. So what you're going to do is, I'm going to use 40,000, all right, times 4. Why I times 4? I need to do 0, 0, 0, and 0. 4 times 4 is 16. 160,000. This is the resident for town Y. Right? Resident for town Y. So now they ask you, how many more residents in town Y compared to X? If you have town Y this amount of resident and town X this amount of resident, how many resident more in town Y? So another step, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to use 160,000, the total number of resident in town Y, minus out 40,000, the resident in town X. If I minus already 0, 0, 0, and 0, this is 2, and this is 1. So this is the number of residents in town Y that more than town X. So your answer is this, okay? 120,000. Okay? If you are wrong, please do the correction here, okay? Next, don't worry. Later, you can do the correction later if you cannot see it, because teacher is going to post this video later into your group. Okay, Teacher Young will do that. Right, number 6 here, you look at here. A factory produced 1.8 million of packets of coffee powder from March to May. March to May means that March, April, and May, 3 months, okay? So this is the information. 0.75 million packets of coffee were produced in March, and the number of packets of coffee powder produced in April and May are the same, okay? So state the number of packets of coffee powder produced in March as a whole number. Look at that. A coffee powder produced in March is 0.75 million, all right, million. But they want this, okay, they want the number of packet of coffee powder produced in whole number. So means that you are going to convert this 0.75 million, okay, I'm going to do multiply, sorry, okay, we do again. Right, multiply by 1 million. Okay, multiply by 1 million equals to, okay, when you multiply, shift your decimal point, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you have to add another 4 more 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. So at the end, you will get 750,000. Okay, that's it. This is in a whole number. Right? Next, B, calculate the number of packets of coffee powder produced in May. Okay, this one, how you do this? Before that, let me ask you the question, your answer first. What is your answer before we go on to the calculation? Nicolette Ideal, are you there? Nicolette Ideal? Nicolette Ideal? Nicolette Ideal? Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. What is your answer for 6B?
B.
What is your answer for 6B? Hello?
525,000.
525,000. Okay. Your answer is 525,000. Okay. Let us do calculation together. Right. You can see from here, total of the three class, or total of the 3 months, the total of the coffee powder produced in 3 months is 1.8 million. Right. Now 1.8 million, which is equals to 1,800,000. Okay. So what you're going to do, I'm going to use 1,800,000. I minus out first the month of March produced 750,000. So I minus out this. I will get 0, 0, 0, 0. This is 5 because I regroup from here. Okay. All right. This is become 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0. This is 1. This is the total that coffee powder produced by in the month of April and May. So what you're going to do, another step will be get 1,050,000. All right, because they produce April and May are the same. So if they are the same, what you're going to do is divide by 2. Right? So divide by 2. 2 times 5 is 10 minus, okay, this is 5. 2 times 2 is 4 minus, this is 10. 2 times 5 is 10. So I minus, you still have 3 0 that you need to bring down. So add 3 0 at the back. So your answer is 525,000. Yes, you are correct. Okay. So we have already checked all your answers from page 1 to page 3. Now, okay, before we start with to see what is your next homework, right, we are going to do hands-on activity. Now, hands-on activity, teacher have already prepared 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? Okay, 6. Right, we start from the first one. Any volunteer wants to say out the answers, teacher will give you 1 mark of bonus if you can raise up your hand, or you can open up your mic and tell teacher what is your answer for 1A and also 1B. Right? You get ready your draft paper to do the calculation. Right. Give you 10 seconds. Question 1A, what is your answer? If you calculate, you can calculate earlier. Okay, you can say it earlier, then you just on your mic and say out your answer. What is your answer?
1,250,000.
1 million. Okay, write in words. I write in words. 1A, write in words. That is not the answer.
1.25 million.
Okay, so you are going to write down here in words. 1 point. Okay, 2, 5 million. Just write it in words only. Okay, who is just now saying out the answer? Natalie Merita.
Yes.
Okay, very good. Give you 1 point. Okay, Next, number 1B. What is your answer? 1B.
1,250,000.
Huh? 1
1
million,
million 25,000.
1,025,000? No.
1,250,000.
Who are you?
Zera.
Zera. Okay. It is equals to 1,250,000. Just now you forgot to read the word thousand. 1,250,000. Okay. Zaira, 1 mark, 1 point. Okay. So far, okay. You get 1 point is Natalie, Mary, and Zaira. Okay. Come on, the rest of you. You want to get a point? Just on your mic and say out the answers, okay? Say out the answers. Okay, we go on. Question number 2. A. What is the place value of the underlying digit? Faster.
10,000.
90,000.
Okay.
1,000.
10,000.
10,000.
Bukan
Who is just now the boy who say out the number?
Go.
Who are you? Just now the boy? Hello? Hello? A? Who say out the answer 10,000 just now? The boy. And why nobody give me the feedback? If you are the one who say out the answer, you just introduce yourself. Teacher, I am. First of all, you need to know. You have to tell me, who are you? Okay? Then only you say out the answers. Okay? Who are you just now? Who said the 10,000 just now? Ay, kenapa tiada bunyi-bunyi nih? Okay, so if nobody admit it, this means that tiada orang dapat 1 mark. Okay, this is the place value of ones. Okay, this is the place value of ones. Okay, here is actually ones. This is, how about this? This is a place value of tens. Okay, so how about this? This is the value is, how it is? This is 100. Okay, so this is the one. What is this? This is 1,000. Okay, thousands. Okay, place value. So you know already this is 10,000. So your answer is here. 10. Sorry. The pen is actually, I cannot really master the answer there. Okay, this is, hold on now. Answer here will be 10,000. Okay. So actually, this is 10,000. All right. This is actually, I need to move on so that it will be really showing this is 5. Okay. This is actually 5. How come I cannot draw? Something wrong with my pen. Yeah, okay. I need to draw actually, and to tell you that I'm going to draw this. Okay, even though this one is already been 1,000. Okay, this one is actually, so this is 10,000, right? Okay, B. Anyone want to try out the answers? What is your answer for B? Number 2B? Anyone want to give me the answer for 2B? Hello? Excuse me? Anyone? Okay. So, no? If no, I should call your name to say out your answer. What is your answer? Eva?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, what is your answer for 2B?
10,000.
10,000? One decimal place. 10,000? No. How you do this one? Okay, divide. Okay. 90, where is it? I need to use 95,730 divide by 8. Okay, so after that, 8 times 1 is 8 minus remain 1, 15. 8 times 1 is it's not 1, but 8 times 1 is 8. So 8 I minus becomes 7. 7 bring down. 8 times 9, 72. I minus out 53. 8 times 6. Okay, we have 48. Okay, 48. Right, if you minus 48 here, okay, this is 4, 8. 4 and 8. You minus, you get 50. All right. So if let's say you got 50, right? Let's say 50 here. 8 times 6 also. You get 48. I minus. I got 2. I bring down, put the decimal point, put the 0, become 20. Okay. 8 times decimal point. 8 times 2 is 16. All right. I minus. Okay, this is 4. I add another 0. Okay, put 0 here. 8 times 5 is 40. So you get this one already. So this number, how to make it become a number with 1 decimal place? Anyone want to try out? Give me an answer. What is 1 decimal place? Means that after decimal point, there's only one place. There's only one place got number. Okay, before this one place here, you have to see the number at the back. Okay, the number at the back. So is it enough to round off to the next or not? So if yes, what is the number? If no, what is the number? Anyone wants to try out this one? Give me the answer in 1 decimal place. Eva, can you give me now what is the number? What is your answer for 1 decimal place?
1,196.625.
0.625? No, I don't divide by 10. I want this to cut off and then plus 1 here. So what is actually, you get your answer here. Read this number and write this 2 plus 1 become 3. So what is actually your number? Read out.
11,966.3.
Yes, 11,000. Okay, it become 11,966.3. All right, because this is 2 plus 1 become 3. So your answer is this. Okay. Next. Okay, question number 3, hands-on activity. Look at the conversation. Siti said, I have 16,750 saga seeds. Okay. Then Tina said, the total number of our saga seeds is 21,000. The total number of our saga seeds means that both of them, we have an equal number of saga seeds. Both of them total is 21,000. They have the same equal, okay, number of saga seeds. Okay, that is a conversation. So how many saga seeds does Tina have? Tina, what did Tina get? How many saga seeds? Okay, teacher give you 20 seconds. Find the answers and tell me the answers. If you got the answers already, you have no speaker, then maybe you can write at the chat there. And maybe Teacher Young can see, or some other people can see it and read out the answers.
10,500.
Again?
Dr. Gali said 10,500.
I cannot hear you. Who are you? There?
No. Dr. Gali said
Otegali. Okay, Otegali.
10,500.
Pardon?
In the chat,
Otegali said what?
10,500.
10,500. Yes, 1 point for Otegali. I think so lah. So what we are going to do, we are going to divide. Okay, 21,000. Okay, divided by 2. Cannot. Divided by 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay, remain 0. Cannot. 1 cannot. Put 0. Bring down the 0 here. This is 5. 2 times 5 is 10. All right, another 2 0. Add 2 0 here. Right? So your answer is 10,500. Yes, altogether you are right, because they have equal number. When equal number means that you can divide by 2, then you get the answers. Okay, now B. Calculate the difference between city saga seeds and mailing saga seeds. You know already Tina and mailing have the same amount of saga seeds. So if Tina have 10,500, means that mailing also have 10,500. So what is the difference, okay, between cities and mailing seeds, saga seeds? Okay.
6,250.
Okay, who are you?
Zara.
Okay, Zaira also. Okay, let's see whether you are correct or not. So what you're going to do, use the bigger number, that is 16,750 minus 10,500. The biggest number minus the smallest number. This is 0. 5 minus 0 is 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 6 minus 0 is 6. So your answer is 6,250. Yes, Zaira, you are correct. Okay. We go on, hands on, one more question. Okay, 5 and 6, maybe we don't have enough time already, so never mind. So have a look at this. Number 4. This is an incomplete number sentence here. 30 plus what number and plus what number here? A suitable prime number. You can fill in the blanks so that it will make up total 30. Right? Teacher already put this prime number here. Those who are yellow color is the prime number from 1 to 100. So anyone can give me a pair of number that's suitable to fill in these two boxes.
13
Anyone?
and 17.
Okay, one of you, who are you?
Muhammad Hamimi.
Okay, Muhammad Hamimi.
Me. Yes.
Okay, Muhammad Hamimi. Muhammad Hamimi said here is 13 and 17. Okay, look at here. 13, yes. 17, yes. When you plus together, become 30. Yes, it is correct. Okay, another pair?
23 plus 7.
Okay, another answer is 23 plus 7. Let's see. 23, yes. 7, yes. 23 plus 7, all is 30. Yes. Another pair? Anyone can find the last pair?
19 plus 11.
Yes, 19 plus 11. Look at it, 19 and 11. Okay, so you can write down here 19 plus 11. Also, you will get 30. So you can see from here, there are 3 pairs here. So any pair that you fill in here will be correct. Okay, even though the number is the other way around also can. 11 plus 19, 19 plus 11, the same. 13 plus 17, 17 plus 13, also the same. 23 plus 7 or 7 plus 23, also the same. So you can fill up any blank here, okay, with the either one or either pair lah. Okay, there are 3 pairs that's suitable to fill in here. Any pair also can be correct. All right, now B, tick the largest prime number which can be filled in the blank. So look at this. Which is the largest prime number that you can see that you can put in the blank?
23.
Yes, very good. 23. Okay. 23 is the answer. Okay. Actually, there are still got 2 more questions here, which we cannot manage to finish then. But never mind. Maybe we can continue this one. If we have time, we continue next other lesson. If no, okay, just forget about it, because this is only a hands-on activity, warming up only, right? So your homework, okay, please listen carefully. Please do your strategy A, okay, mathematics kertas 1, Dwi Bahasa here, page 4, 5, and 6. That is about fractions. There are 20 questions, if I'm not mistaken, about these objective questions involving fractions. Now, before that, if you forgot already how to do that, please do revision from your textbook, okay, from page 21 to 36. Your textbook there, fraction, topic of fractions from page 21 to 36. Before you start your homework, I just don't want you to simply circle whatever answer without any calculation. Okay, Teacher Yong actually want you to do the calculation beside even the objective question. The space given is not that big, but still try your best to do the calculation at the side of the that page. Okay, and of course, before that, if you really forget already how to do multiplication and division of fraction and problem solving involving fractions, you read back, okay? Go through all the examples given in the textbook, recall back, okay? When you look at the example, oh, teacher already taught me this, teacher already tell me what to do step by step. After finish doing the revision, then only you start to do your homework, okay? Today is Monday. We are going to meet you on Friday, which you have 5 more days, okay? After today, you have 4 more days, okay? Please read up first. Please do revision first before you start your homework. Any question? Any question you want to ask?
No.
Okay, if no question, I want to close this already. Okay, if no question, let's look at this. I'm going to stop presenting here. Okay, that's all from me. Teacher Yong, you got anything you want to say about, or you remind them?
Okay, do your fraction. Okay, refer to your notes. Okay, refer to your notes again. Refer to your textbook. Refer to your previous activity book, and try to solve it. Some question you can solve it by logic. Okay, and yeah, that's it. So everybody turn on your camera. Everybody turn on your camera.
Okay.
Okay, everybody turn on your camera.
Please turn on your camera. Please turn on
Eva,
your camera.
your mom say you have to turn on your camera, Eva. Eva.
Kathleen, Zaira, Amimi, Noah, Kamarina, everybody.
Okay,
No
I want to see
Alia,
your faces.
no Alicia, Safia. Turn on your camera.
Eva, kenapa tunjuk tingkap saja, Eva?
Yeah.
Eva, mana
Want to
muka?
see your face. Don't show peace. Eva, don't show peace. Want to see your face. Teacher
Yeah.
want to see your face.
But teacher,
Natalie Prudence, why you show a picture? Only a picture. Why? Okay, everybody turn on your camera. Okay, Evan. Wow, Evan. Evan punya rambut tebal loh. Okay, mana Hamimi, Jordan, Justin, Brandon, who else? Okay. Okay, hold on. Dosh Belansky said, okay. Everybody smile. Okay, everybody smile. Everybody. Syadat, mana muka Syadat? Bukan begitu. Okay, that's it. Okay, any question? No more question? Tiada sudah? Okay, I'll see you this Friday. Do your fraction. I will call your name. I will call your name. And if you don't answer me, teacher will tick you not. Untick your name. Okay? Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.
Life
See
is
you on Friday.
Bye.
Okay?
Bye, I am tired. Tengok Mbak Adam.
Bye.
Bye, I am tired.
Young, can off the recording already.
Oh yeah.
I'm still recording.
Recording.
Yeah, still recording.